How to edit Overleaf resume template. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first head over to your Google and then search for Overleaf. Simply log in. So this is not registered, so you can just register using your Google. Continue. Then from here you can find templates by tapping on browse. Templates and find the template you want. Tap on open as template, and from here you can edit it just the way you want. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.